Are you curious about who has subscribed to your YouTube channel? Read this 1-minute guide to get an all-time list of subscribers. It's a fantastic feeling when somebody subscribes to your channel. But which viewers hit that big, red button? And do they have large, popular channels of their own? Who subscribed to your YouTube channel? Follow these steps to see a list of recent YouTube subscribers. 1. Log into YouTube, click your profile icon, and go to the YouTube studio. 2. Scroll down until you see the recent subscribers panel. Click See All. 3. A pop-up window will appear showing your recent subscribers. Adjust the date range at the top to see who subscribed in the last 7 days, month, 90 days, year, or the life of your channel. On this panel, you will see a recent subscribers, channel name, profile icon, subscription date, subscriber count on their channel. Creators with the most subscribers appear at the top of the list. But you can click the date subscribed or subscriber count tabs to filter the list as you please. Read more, how to find your first YouTube subscriber, ever. Want to visit a subscriber's channel? The profile icons are clickable, so simply click one to go to that creator's homepage. If you already know the creator, there's an option to subscribe to their channel, which